If some of your desktop icons are not showing, if you open up File Explorer, and in View, we just want to make sure that hidden items are visible. So just make sure that's checked. And then if you go to C drive, users, your username, app data, local, and the icon cache file, we're just going to delete that. And then you'll need to restart your PC for it to rebuild. Once you've restarted your PC, if you go back to that file location, so open up File Explorer, go to this PC, C drive, users, your username, app data, local, and you can see that the icon cache file is back. And if you're still unable to see your desktop icons, just make sure that if you go to View and where it says Show Desktop Icons, just make sure that's checked.